Here is a fully automatic servo hybrid baby feeder manufacturing setup. The process starts when polypropylene resin is loaded into the hopper. Inside the machine, the resin is melted and injection molded into preforms. Next, the core pin rotates and transfers the preforms to the blowing station. At the blowing stage, compressed air shapes each preform into a finished baby feeding bottle. The machine rotates once again, and the completed bottles are automatically ejected. This continuous single-stage process delivers stable quality, faster production, and high efficiency. Other parts of the feeders, such as the collar, cap, handle, cover plate, and filter basket, are manufactured separately on an injection molding machine. After resin is loaded into the hopper, the mold closes and material is injected. Once the parts are cooled, the mold opens and the parts are ejected. These parts and bottle containers are put together to form a complete feeder bottle.